Hello everyone, I'm Lorena Leon and welcome back for some cleaning inspiration. I am so excited because this week my very first YouTube video got 1,000 views, so I want to thank you for your support. If you really want to keep supporting organic entrepreneurship, hit the subscribe button. It means a lot to me. I will not delay this any further and let's get under the sink. Yuck! Let's jump right into it and talk about what you need. A pair of gloves, paper towels, multi-purpose cleaner, any disinfectant agent, some microfiber cloths, and a new cabinet mat, which is totally optional. Let's get started. Let's set up this timer and go. I live in North America, where it's common to keep small garbage cans under the sink to take out daily. So let's do that first. Spray the cans abundantly with disinfectant and let the product do its job. Continue taking out all the stuff that you keep under there. I actually had some scraped pieces of mats in a failed attempt to cover my under sink area, but I got a new one, so I will take them out. Spray your multi-purpose cleaner on the entire surface. Wipe clean all around using a microfiber cloth. Then grab some paper towels and after you wipe thoroughly the cans, simply dispose them. If you want to protect your cabinets, I highly recommend using mats. Open it to measure and cut them to fit perfectly. Place your mat flat side up so you can wipe clean easily afterwards. Time to put back everything. But wait, don't forget to clean the doors on the inside. Outside. Now we are done. It took me under 30 minutes and check it out. What do you think? Is it worth it? I would say so. After all, under sinks do get messy and dirty, and it is such a small space that the change is noticeable in minutes. Once again, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. See you soon. Ciao!